Welcome to Inforiver Analytics Plus. In this video, we will explore how to create variable text in a KPI card without writing any DAX. A text variable helps you display dynamic messages in your KPI card based on your data conditions. It allows you to highlight performance results instantly and make your visuals more meaningful. Let's get started. First, add Inforiver Analytics Plus to your canvas and select Card from the options. Now populate your data fields and expand the toolbar. Next, go to Pivot Data and remove Measure category from Small Multiples. Once done, close the Pivot Data panel and navigate to Data. Then, open Conditional Formatting and click on New Rule. Give your rule a title and toggle on Use as Variable. Now define your logic. For this example, sales is greater than previous year sales. Define the condition and enter the text you want to display. Then, choose a color for it and click Apply. Click back and copy the same rule to create a second condition. Change the rule name and update the logic. Define the conditional text you want to display and choose a different color. Click Apply once again. Now close the Conditional Formatting panel. Next, click Edit Card. Go to the text area where you want to display the variable. Select the eyedropper tool and choose the variable you created. Click Apply. You can now see the variable text appear dynamically in your KPI card based on the rules you defined. To adjust the text color, select the variable text, go to Font Color, open CF Rule, choose your variable and apply. To check the dynamic behavior, add a year slicer to your report. Switch between years and you will notice the variable text change automatically based on the selected year. And that's it. You've now created dynamic variable text in your KPI card without using DAX. Thanks for watching. Download Inforiver Analytics Plus from Microsoft AppSource to experience this KPI card magic. For more information, refer to the documentation provided in the description.